This is your girl Emily here, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. Yes! And this package contained a robot that I ordered on Facebook Marketplace. Like, whoa. Okay, let's open this bitch. Shall we? Just gonna use my hand. This is easy. It's just a flat rate box. Okay. It's a little rough, but that's a good thing. They pack it good. Ooh. Oh, dang. She fit? Okay. OMG, guys. OMG. I think it's the Robot Commander. I think. Not sure. I have to check my facts before I say anything. Because I don't want to assume his gender. So, yeah, I know that's kind of weird, but robots has gender too as well. But anyways, let's install some batteries and this bitch is see this bitch in action. Okay, I installed the batteries and let's turn it on for you guys. Oh, what the hell? Oh, dang! Hold on, let me move the plastic. Oh. Oh, dang. It's fully working. So this is considered my first purchases in 2022. So that's pretty exciting. I have many more packages to come, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching this video. AKA, peace out, Emily Aguilar.